Hello, welcome back to my channel. I haven't done a Creator Diaries vlog in a very long time and I wanted to do one today. If you didn't know, I am currently pregnant. I am at 34 weeks, so things are approaching and being a creator is going to be at a pause for a little bit, for at least, I believe 3 months would be probably my max. Hopefully I do have some motivation to do something in between, but I'll always be on short form content if I am not available for long form. So make sure to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyles on Instagram and TikTok so you can see all the things that I share. So this might be the last Creator Diaries until probably 6 months later. So today we're going to share a little bit about what I am thinking about. So in December, I did a mini home office makeover. I wanted to reorganize some stuff, change some things around. I didn't do too many crazy things. Mainly it was just cleaning out the closet. I have a new desk, which I've really been enjoying. And that was pretty much it. But after I did all that video and 2 weeks later, I started to think about moving things around. Currently, my desk is on this side of the office, which I feel like the lighting isn't the best compared to on this side of the office. I feel like there is a little bit more lighting on this side. So I'm thinking maybe I will switch this over here, which was originally over here. If you haven't seen that video yet, I will link my old desk setup video for you in the cards up above and down below so you can go check out. But mainly my desk was originally on this side. And then in December of 2023, I decided to move things on this side and it's been there since for the whole year, and then now I'm thinking of moving it back over there. So I'll flip the camera in a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about, but that is kind of my little plan. Obviously I'm gonna get the hubby to do everything. It's not too crazy. Basically the sofa's on this side. I will probably move it this side. It's technically not a really big move, so it's just gonna be flipping the sofa and the desk around and then kind of see how that goes. It will also affect my streaming stuff, so I have to figure that out also, but I'm excited to bring you along in today's vlog. And yeah, let's get in! And if you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as a content creator. And if you love anything desk setup, tech, productivity, lifestyle, all that jazz, make sure you subscribe because I share a lot of those throughout the weeks. And without further ado, let's get in. Okay, so when you walk through the door, my desk is on the right side and the sofa's on the left. I used to have my desk over there when I had a bigger desk setup. I will link that up in the cards up above and maybe even show you a photo here. But then I switched it over because I wanted to change things up. And then over here I had my gaming desk setup, and then I ended up moving my gaming setup downstairs. So now I have a sofa there for coziness feels. But right now I'm thinking of basically moving this back to this side because I do feel like there's a little bit more lighting over here. We'll be able to keep both wall shelves on the top, so that shouldn't be a problem. I might get some wall panels and put it on this wall. I need to measure and make sure it fits, so it's like the wall panels that I have over here. Then it'll be kind of like a side view of wall panels. I thought would be kind of cool. And then for my little cabinet here, I'll probably move it on this side rather than on this side so I can have my desk fully on this side. I'm still thinking about it. So it's not like a crazy move. It's just kind of like switching things around, and then have the sofa on this side for just coziness. Just wanted to switch things around, see how it looks, and it's not going to be too crazy. I still have this thing that I've had from before, so I don't know if I'm going to move that or leave that there. So we're going to see based on when I move things with a hubby. It shouldn't be that crazy, and if I do not like it at the end, I can always switch it back. At least I'm not like moving things and adding new things and then later on not enjoying it, then that'll be a problem. But that's kind of where the plan is, so I'm excited to get into that. And yeah, I also had to make sure I measure the width of the sofa so it fits here, or else I'll have to move this white shelf, which I don't think I need to. Might need to move it like slightly over a little, but that's pretty good. And right now my streaming camera faces me pretty well up here, so I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna do that on the other side because there is no shelves on the other side. So there's also that. The last couple of months I've been noticing that the lighting in this side of the room hasn't been doing much. I feel like the light is shining through this way more than it's shining through this way. So maybe if I move my desk over here, I'll get a little bit more lighting. But yeah, let's get in and get the hubby to help. Okay, so here we are. We switched the desk over and then the sofa over, and then I moved a little bit of other things too. I'll show you that just in a bit. But let's just get in and check it out. So the desk used to be here. Now I put the sofa here. I changed things around, moved some stuff over and stuff like that. I still need to work on these shelvings, which I will probably put these over there and switch them back over and rearrange. But other than that, this is how it looks. Now there's a big space here. I'm thinking of maybe putting a sign there, putting some cute frames there. I'm still deciding what I want to do. And then here's the desk side. This is not aligning really well, so I might take that down. I might keep the name sign on, or I might move it closer to my desk setup or move it to the sofa area, so we'll see about that. Instead of putting the cabinet on this side, I decided to push my desk all the way to the edge so that you can see the slat walls. The hubby helped and put in 2 slat walls in here. We actually had extra from before, so it's perfect, and it gives a little bit of a little different than my regular videos where now there's a slat wall on the side instead of in the front. So I thought that was kind of cool. And then desk setup, I did a lot of cable management off camera, but it is looking pretty good. So that is where we're at. I will definitely be changing things along the way, but this is kind of my vision of what I had. There's no lighting today, but if there is, I'm sure lighting will be a lot better on this side, because usually the closer to the back wall you are at, the more lighting you'll get. So hopefully we'll get some good lighting. And then I'm going to switch out these things. These were actually my gaming setup stuff, so I'm going to switch that over. But yeah, but that's it for today's video. Thank you for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed my little Creator Diaries vlog where I switch up my desk and my sofa. It's a little mini home office makeover. Been thinking about it for a while now, but I will definitely revamp a lot of stuff, add some stuff to the walls, and you'll get to see everything. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Life with Holly Lifestyles to see all of that stuff. And you see the update there. I'll probably show a little bit also in February. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!